Hello, this is Scott Rosano with Gigbuilder.com. This is lesson 122, and we're going to be doing tasks. What exactly are tasks? Well, they're under schedule, and it's under meetings others, so we're going to go to tasks. Tasks are generally reminders, things for you to do in the future so you don't forget. Gigbuilder provides two kinds. The general task to do, which is what we're doing here, and then we also have an event action, which is a task that involves a specific event. They're two different things. This is the regular tasks. These are general, usually not specifically event related. Might be get a hold of a venue to try and speak with them within X number of days. However it is you want to do it. We're going to go ahead and click New, and this is going to provide us up with the task screen and what's available to us. First of all, we have to have a task name. And this one here is going to be Purchase Mirror Ball. I'm going to give it a start date and a complete by. So the start date can be today if you want to be. It automatically adds a week. See, it's got 12/1 and 12/8. We can leave those alone, or you can click the little calendar button and change that particular date. We'll make it to the 22nd. Give me a little more time. Now, the tracking status of active means that it is a current active task. And then there's a task type: reminder, return call, support, time off request, which is another way of doing it, and a to-do. But most everybody just leaves it as reminder and doesn't do much more with it. Need 22-inch mirror ball for February event. However you want to call it. And of course I can't spell. We can also assign people to do it. We can assign a staff member, and it will appear when they go to log in. We can assign an event to it, but again, we have event actions that are a little more better for that, so we're going to kind of skip over that and leave this section alone. The remind can be the start date, the completion, or both the start and completion dates. I like to be reminded of the completion date. And then email, text message, and daily summary. These are what's going to happen. You're going to get an email on the completion date. Are you done? Text message on the completion date. Daily summary says include task. Every morning you get an email that's got pretty much everything you need to do in Gigbuilder. That's called the daily summary. So if you want this task added to that, you need to specifically state that here. Then we have some more task notes. We have this little button called Dump Notepad. That's something that's a little bit bigger, and we'll go into that. And then you can add uploads into the task as well. Maybe you're trying to get insurance or something. You want to have an old copy of your card so that you have access to it, whatever else it is. But now basically we've got a task to purchase a mirror ball. I've given myself 2 weeks to get that done. It is active. It's just a reminder. Here's the description. This person is responsible for doing it. I'm going to be reminded on the completion date, and every day I'm going to get a reminder in my daily summary. So if I go ahead and click Save here, that'll save the task in the system, register everything with Gigbuilder, and bring you back to the task and to-do items, which of course now you see one with a start and due date. Something interesting in these, all these views that you're seeing throughout Gigbuilder, if you've got arrows here, you can actually resort them by that particular column. So it's something new that you can add to that. Now if we go back to our home screen, notice that now we have a new box called Tasks to Do, and I've got my reminders. So I see it here every time I log in. I'll get it every morning in my email, and I'll get reminded after the task is done that you need to finish it. Now, as far as these boxes go, there's another video that does this, and basically that's in Tools, System Configuration, and we're going to go over to the dashboard. And again, there's a full video that goes over this. And if we go down, we can find the one that says Tasks right here and make sure that we're looking at it. We can also add Hide Empty Widgets, which is what I have. So if there's nothing in that category, it doesn't even show. It keeps things clean. So it was a real quick overview of that, but there should be a video up at the top here that will take you back to the dashboard, so you have a little more on that. So those are tasks. You're ready to go to creating those. They'll appear all over Gigbuilder, and we're going to show you in the next level, the 200 series, on how to do event actions. So with that, create a few, see how you feel about it, see how the notifications go, see how you see them in the morning emails, and when you're ready to go on to the next video, just click and go.